Our life is like a puzzle set, and I'm here to help you find the right pieces. Hello, what's up? What's going on, guys? My name is Ahmad Nofal. People call me Ahmad. For people that can't actually spell my name correctly, I get it. But listen, I've been in entrepreneurship for the past 5 years now. I'm 27 years old, and I'm so excited to share my journey with you guys and the things that I learned through my experiences, through mentorship, through leadership, through different things that I went through in my life. And of course, in these 5 years, that will definitely help you out in your journey. So today we're going to talk about how can you assess your success and what are some tips that will definitely help you in your entrepreneurship or in your personal journey, to be honest. Because here's the thing, I see a lot of people, like definitely in the beginning of the year, they write down their goals, write down their aspirations, what they want to accomplish. And some people, they didn't even hit or accomplish the goals back in 2017 or 2018. It's crazy to me, honestly. And I actually found the right understanding of why people can't accomplish these goals and dreams, and I'm gonna share with you guys some concepts that will definitely help you out, and hopefully by the end of the video you leave it with a right mindset. So let's go. Now, of course, in the past 5, 6, 7 years, like, I've been extremely interested about entrepreneurship, and I've been listening to a lot of people. I've been listening to a lot of billionaires and millionaires, and one of the people that actually when I first got started into entrepreneurship, I listened to a lot, which is Tai Lopez. A lot of people hated on him in the beginning when he shot that video here in my garage. I get the hate, but at the same time, I lent him my ear and I listened to some concept that he's shared. And one of these concepts is that you need to be focusing on 5 different areas in your life in order for your life to become better quality. So number 1 is your health, wealth, love, family, and happiness. These 5 areas are extremely important, especially when you're writing down your goals and dreams and stuff like that. You need to actually understand, what do you want to try to accomplish? And the reason why health is number 1 is because if you don't have your health, literally your life is going to be miserable. Even if you're like a millionaire or a billionaire and you can't even walk, you can't even breathe without a machine attached to you, it's not going to be worth it, to be honest with you guys. So health, wealth, love, family, and happiness, extremely important for you guys to run your life around. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys 7 tips that will definitely improve your life. And I'm going to share with you guys the mistakes that I've done in order for you not to commit. So number 1, never compare yourself with others. This is a mistake that I've done in the beginning of my career. It literally held me back for a long time, probably for 2 years. And it literally did not serve me whatsoever, because I always compared myself with people that they're in their chapter 20, 30, 50, whatever it is, and I am in my chapter 1. So in my head, okay, I realized after I spent a long time in this rabbit hole, I realized that I need to stop comparing my wealth to that person. I need to stop comparing my influence, the way that I talk, the way that I speak, the way that I deliver a message with that different person. Every single person of us, every single one of us, we have a special gift. And of course, these gifts can become better, and most of the things that are actually implemented are learnable skill sets, and this is something extremely important. So if you want to compare, this is what I do. If you want to compare yourself, you should compare with yourself with one person only, which is yourself. And definitely you need to be striving to become 1% better every single day in order for you to find a significant change, you know, at the end of the 365 days, which is basically the year. So I hope this makes sense. Never compare yourself with any person, no matter who they are. You just need to be learning from them and implementing what they are teaching you if they're your mentors. Number 2, track your results with a pen and paper. And the reason why I say a pen and paper is specific because our minds are built to create, not to memorize. They are built to create. And when we create, we come up with beautiful ideas and beautiful different concepts that will definitely serve us. Now listen, a lot of people, they're like, okay, I just can't remember it, I'll just remember it. And definitely this never served me. Even if you have a very good, photographic memory or whatever it is you want to call it. I'm not a neuroscientist, but listen, you want to track your progress through a pen and paper. You need to, like, if you're a tech savvy, I'm a tech savvy, I love tech. I have my laptop, I have my iPad, I have my phone, I have different applications that I can use. I use the Note application that comes with Apple Store, which is absolutely incredible. I can make a spreadsheet on what I'm doing or what are the things that I need to be hitting on a day-to-day basis. Here's another book that you can definitely use. Here's another book here that you can use, Miracle Morning, and this is for network marketers, of course, which basically you can put your calendar and your schedule the way that you want. If you want to be like old school, I love to write things down. I love the feel of pen and paper to write things down. So this is a very important way for you to track your progress on a day-to-day basis. Number 3, measure your own development, measure your own growth, measure your knowledge on a weekly basis. And the reason why I say this is because a lot of people, when they see some type of success, the ego gets in the way. They're like, yo, I don't need to be learning anything new. I just need to keep doing what I'm doing and I'm good to go. Listen, we are living in a fast-paced world, to be honest with you guys. There is a chat GPT going on, which is an AI that can do what the hell you want it to do. You know what I mean? And I want you guys to become a student, a frequent student, a student of life, to be learning on a constant basis. There is a saying that says, the person that listens the most is the person that grabs information the most, and they have more tendencies to do more stuff with the information that they are consuming. Number 4, keep track on how you spend your time. If I end the video right now, this is going to be very important, okay? Listen, you need to keep track of your time, which is extremely important. The reason why I say this is because a lot of people don't know about the best method to actually track your time, which is time blocking. Listen, I'm a person that cannot focus on one task for like 30 minutes straight, to be honest. I don't know what you guys call it, but listen, I cannot focus for like 30 minutes. I just do something, I get sidetracked, I watch some reels, some TikToks, and time starts eating itself. But the best thing that you can be doing is time blocking. And when you time block stuff, you will actually get a lot of things done during that time that you give yourself. For example, let's say that you want to post on social media, you want to reach out to 10 new people. Let's say that you want to do something that is good for your business. You want to market, you want to shoot some video, you want to do whatever it is, time block it and give it a time. Put a stopwatch and say, for example, this task can take 15 minutes, and put a stopwatch for 15 minutes and actually go out and crush it. Because if you don't, time will eat itself. There's a reason why all of these high performer entrepreneurs, they are doing a lot in their day. That reason is because they time block their days. I believe they asked Elon Musk, what do you do and how can you actually find a lot of time to build companies and run billion-dollar companies out there. He said he does time blocking, which is extremely important. So if Elon Musk is doing it, you should be doing it as well, okay? Number 5, rewind and revise your plans. There is this concept that absolutely changed my life from Eric Corey. He is the mentor of mentors when it comes to network marketing. And listen, he said this: plan, do, review. A lot of people, they get stuck on the planning part. And listen, there's something that I share with my team. If you constantly plan, this is another form of procrastination. I'm dropping bombs right now, okay? If you constantly plan and you put yourself in this delusion that you are planning for the week or for the month, and you constantly plan, you are stuck in procrastination. You are procrastinating your life away, and you're just trying to trick your mind that you're working, but in reality, you're not even working. So plan, do, review. You want to plan fast. You need to know what you need to be doing. Focus on the money-making activities that you need to be doing on a day-to-day basis, and do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. When you do it, you gotta review it. So for example, I did a campaign, I believe, a couple of years ago. That was probably like my first campaign that I ever do. And there was a lot of mistakes that I've done and I've committed. So before I actually launched my second campaign, I had to take a step back and review the process that I actually did. I need to know, okay, did I market well? Did I speak well? Did I have a good message to send? Are the people that joined that campaign benefited? Yes or no? So I gotta ask myself these questions in order for me to tackle it in a different direction and a different light, in order for me to have a better result next time. And this is extremely and crucial and important to your business success. Number 6, grow through your failures. And listen, I know that you've listened to this gazillion times. And listen, if you want to succeed, you gotta fail your way to success. Fail your way to success. Fail forward, okay? There's this saying in Arabic, وجه الحق على الأرض, meaning that my face has been dragged on the floor from the amount of times that I failed, which is necessary, honestly. Like nothing great came easy. Nothing great in your life actually came easy, and you need to understand this. So if you are willing to go through entrepreneurship and go through this journey and go through the pain and go through the exhaustion and go through the depression that you're going to go through and the anxiety and whatever you want to call it, listen, You have to be willing to fail. It is important. Listen, I know it sucks. It really does suck. I get it. It's not fun when you lose some money, when you lose some energy, when you get backstabbed, when you 1, 2, 3, 4 happens in your life. But it is extremely crucial to your business success. Because listen, the good part is that your story is going to become better when you tell it on a stage or to other person in order for you to influence them to do more in their lives. So in my idea, failure is an extremely crucial part in your journey in order for your story to get better and for you to become a wiser human being. Number 7, the job is never done. There's always room to improve. And this concept I loved to shed a lot of light on because I listened to a interview through Kobe Bryant, and he has this mentality. I read this book by Tim Grover, it's called Winning, and he was actually shedding a lot of light on Kobe Bryant and how his life and how he used to work and what's his work ethic. And he said this, I remember there was this interview, he said, the job is not done, the job is not done, the job is not done. And it's true. Like through all of the milestones that I've actually accomplished in my life, I try to stay in this mentality. The job is not done and there's still more room to improve. There's always somebody that is better than you. There's always somebody that's better than you. And in my head, I'm a competitive person. I want to win. I want to actually crush it. So in my head, there is always room to improve. And at the same time, do not be stuck in your own success and do not go through something called success coma. One last story I can share with you guys is that I had major milestone in my business and I went through something called success coma. And something about success coma is that you do not feel that you're in a coma, that you don't know that you're in a coma until you wake up and you realize that you were in a coma in the first place. So I was in a coma for like 6 months, and these 6 months actually hurt me because I was too stuck in my past success. I was too stuck into my past recognition and past accomplishments that I did in the past. Okay, whatever happened in the past happened in the past. Now what's new? What do you bring to the table? So the job is not done, and I hope you guys actually took some value and took some tips from this video. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys. I want you guys to like, subscribe, put the post notifications on, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.